Let me ask you something. How would your life change if you built a business that made money while you slept? Imagine waking up every day, knowing you're one step closer to financial freedom and the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the harsh truth. If you don't act now, 5 years from today, you might still be stuck in the same routine, living paycheck to paycheck and wondering, what if? In this video, I'll walk you through 10 actionable steps to start your first business with no money. Yes, $0. These steps are the exact blueprint used by countless entrepreneurs to transform their lives. And trust me, step 9, it's the game changer. Stick around to the end, and I'll share a secret about how small, consistent actions can compound into massive success. Let's dive in. Why you don't need money to start. Here's the biggest myth about starting a business. You need money to make money. That's simply not true. What you really need is resourcefulness, creativity, and a willingness to work hard. Think about some of the most successful entrepreneurs. Sarah Blakely started Spanx with $5,000 she saved from selling fax machines. Damon John, he launched FUBU by sewing hats in his mom's living room. They didn't have big budgets. They had grit and determination. Here's a question. What's holding you back? Is it fear of failure? A belief that the market is too saturated? Let me tell you something. The only thing scarier than failing is never starting at all. So, let's crush those doubts right now. We're going to break down how you can turn nothing into something, starting with step 1. Step 1. Solve a problem people care about. Every successful business solves a problem. Uber made getting a ride as easy as tapping a screen. Airbnb turned spare bedrooms into vacation rentals. So ask yourself, what frustrates people? What do they complain about? Is there a gap in your community or even in your own life that you can fill? Pattern. Interrupt. Think about it this way. If you can figure out why people hate Mondays, you'll probably be a billionaire by Friday. No pressure though. Solving a problem doesn't mean reinventing the wheel. It means making life easier or better for someone. That's your starting point. Step 2. Leverage your skills and knowledge. Here's the exciting part. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know a little more than the people you're helping. Take a moment to inventory your skills. Are you good at writing, editing videos, fixing things? Every skill is a potential business opportunity. One of the simplest ways to start is by freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you sell your skills to a global audience for free. Your expertise is your capital. Now go use it. Step 3. Start small. Test big. Not sure if your idea will work? Test it. Launch a small version of your product or service and see how people react. Social media is your free testing ground. Post your idea on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. See what gets attention, then tweak and improve. Oh, and there's one specific strategy to turn small tests into massive results. Step 4. Build your brand online. Here's where the magic happens. Your personal brand is the story people believe about you. Even with no budget, you can create a professional image. Use free platforms like Canva to design a logo, create posts, or even mock up a website. Share content that provides value, tips, tricks, or relatable stories. Humorous comment. If your first design looks like a kindergarten art project, don't worry. Mine did too. The important thing is to start. Perfection comes later. The climax, the payoff, and future steps. Here's the truth. The journey to building your business won't be easy, but it's absolutely worth it. By following these steps, you're not just creating a business, You're creating freedom, opportunities, and a legacy. The biggest takeaway: action beats perfection. Don't wait for the stars to align, because they won't. Start messy, start small, but start today.